Good day, viewers. You are welcome to today's math class. So, we'll be using the Moivre theorem to find the cube root of unity, which we know as 1. And the theorem implies that z is equals to cos theta r into bracket cos theta plus iota sine theta. And we know that sine and cosine repeats itself periodically after 2 pi, which is after 360 degree. And also, let's multiply this by a constant k, where k is an integer of -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and so on. So therefore we have 2 pi k, or just write it as 2k pi, where k is an integer. So now let's add this to the degree, the theta. We have z is equals to r open bracket cos open bracket theta plus 2k pi plus iota into bracket theta plus 2k pi, all into bracket. So let's start the solution. This is the formula which we are going to be using to solve, and the question says find the cube root of 1. So let's just write it as z raised to the power of 3 is equals to 1. So we have z. So now let's find for the value of r and the value of theta. We all know that r is equals to root a plus b, and we can rewrite this in form of complex numbers as 1, since 1 is a real number, plus 0 iota. So 0 iota is going to give us 0, and we'll be left with 1. So 1 is the same thing as 1 plus 0 iota. And comparing this to this, which is a plus b iota, we can say that 1 is equals to a and 0 is equals to b. So substitute that here. We have a to be 1 plus 0, and we have the root of 1. The root of 1 is 1. For theta, to find for the value of theta, we have tan inverse open bracket b over a, and b is equals to 0. So we just say tan inverse of 0 over 1 is equals to 0. So let's substitute this back. We just say z raised to the power of 3 is equals to 1, r is equals to 1, cos open bracket, our theta is 0, plus 2k pi plus iota sine open bracket 0 plus 2k pi, all into brackets. So take the cube root of both sides. Take the cube root of both sides. So multiplying it by 1 over 3, and also here raised to the power 1 over 3. This cancel this. We have z is equals to cos. We'll be left with 2k pi plus iota sine 2k pi all into bracket raised to the power of 1 over 3. So recalling this property, which says z, or let's say z raised to the power n is equals to cos n theta plus iota sine n theta. So recalling this property, we can say that z with this is equals to z using this property, that is, this is equals to cos 2k pi all over 3 plus iota sine 2k pi all over 3. So I open to the next page, guys. So let's k to be 0, 1, 2. So now where k is equals to 0, we have z. So I'll get, this implies that we're going to be getting 3 values for z, or from the equation starting with z1 where k is equal to 0, we have cos 2 where k is equal to 0, so we have 0 here, pi over 3 plus iota sine 2 times 0 pi over 3. This implies that z1 is equal to cos 0 plus iota sine 0, and cos 0 is equals to 1, sine 0 is equals to 0, 0 times iota is still 0, therefore z1 is equals to 1. This is the first value. The second value, where k is equals to 1, we have z2 to be equals to cos. So if you substitute 1 for k here now, we'll be having 2 pi over 3 plus iota sine 2 pi over 3. And don't forget, pi is same thing as 180, don't forget. Therefore, this is equals to 120 degree. So we just say that cos 120 plus iota sine 120. So you know that cos 120 from the table, special angles table, you know that cos 120 is equal to minus 1 over 2 plus iota sine 120 is going to be plus root 3 over 2. So this is our second value, iota, mistake, don't forget the iota sign, root 3 over 2. This is our second value. And let's find for the third value, where k is equals to 2, we have z3 to be equals to, so here now don't forget, substitute 2 for k, therefore we have 2 times 2, 4, that's 4 over 3 pi, and here also 4 over 3 pi. So we have cos 4 over 3 pi plus iota sine 4 over 3 pi. When you don't forget, pi is 180, so this is equals to cos 240 degree Here also iota sine 240 degree, and we have z3 to be equals to that. So z3 is equals to, cos 240 degree is going to give us negative 1/2, same as this. While iota sine 240 is going to give us negative also. So we have minus, that's minus 1/2 also. Mistake, rather, minus root 3/2. So iota, don't forget the iota sign. These are the three values for z from the equation finding the cube root of unity, or 1. So we have 1, we have minus 1/2 plus iota root 3/2, minus 1/2 minus iota root 3/2. Guys, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.